Hello, my name is Sunday and I run a Crafter's Mind art and craft workshops at Mettingham near Bungay in Suffolk. And I'm just introducing you to a new workshop which we are doing this month and we'll be carrying on with. And that is these gorgeous realistic look roses made from paper, which I provide as a kit. And here's an example of the petals rather, that are cut out. And I have coloured them both sides using the gel press, there it is, to give some nice texture and colour. As you can see, it's variegated there, so it gives a more realistic look. And I show you, including the leaves here, and I show you how to make these and manipulate the petals. We use a hot glue gun to create the rose, and we use a hot glue gun to adhere the rose to this lovely frame that we also make out of cardstock, which is lovely. And we also put a backing on it with an embossing folder, which also looks lovely. They make great gifts for people. You can hang them on a wall, or you can stand them up on a mini easel. We also make a little bud, as you can see here. So we make the bud, the rose and the leaves, and that all goes in there. And it's a lovely couple of hours to spend making something delightful, which you can either give or you can obviously keep for yourself. So if you are interested in making these, and they can come in any colour, you just let me know the colour you'd like to make when you book your place. The current price is £25, and we've got one coming up at the end of February. Just go and have a look at craftersmind.co.uk. You'll see the schedule and some more photos of these lovely flowers. Come and have some fun and make something really beautiful. Thanks for watching.